Hey guys, welcome to vteachacademy.com, and here in this presentation we are going to solve simple equation by transposing method. So here we have solve 3y plus 4 equal to 5y minus 4. So here let us bring all the variable terms to one side. So here by transferring 5y to the left hand side we get the equation as 3y minus 5y plus 4 equal to minus 4. And here 3y minus 5y is minus 2y, and if we transfer 4 to the right hand side we get minus 4 minus 4. So here minus 2y equal to minus 4 is minus 8. And here minus sign get cancelled on the both sides. So here by transferring 2 to the other side we get y equal to 8 divided by 2. So here by simplifying we get 2 one time is 2 and 2 4 times is 8. So here we get the result as y equal to 4. Now let us verify the result by substituting y equal to 4 in the equation. So here by substituting we get 3 into 4 plus 4 equal to 5 into 4 minus 4. And here 3 4 times is 12 plus 4 equal to 5 4 times is 20 minus 4. And here on the left hand side 12 plus 4 is 16, and coming to the right hand side 20 minus 4 is 16. So here we can say that y equal to 4 is the solution of the equation. Now let us solve another example over here. So here 3 into x minus 3 equal to 5 into 2x plus 1. So here let us multiply individual term 3 to the group x minus 3. So here by multiplying we get 3x minus 9 equal to, and here by multiplying 5 with group 2x plus 1 we get 10x plus 5. So here let us bring all the variable terms to one side and constant terms to another side. So here if we transfer 10x to the left hand side we get here 3x minus 10x equal to, and if we transfer minus 9 to the right hand side we get here 5 plus 9. And here on the left hand side 3x minus 10x is minus 7x equal to 5 plus 9 is 14. So let us transfer minus 7 to the other side. We get here x equal to 14 divided by minus 7. So here by simplifying we get 7 one time is 7 and 7 two times is 14. So we get here x value as minus 2. Now let us verify the result by substituting x value as minus 2 in the equation. So here by substituting we get 3 into minus 2 minus 3 equal to 5 into 2 into minus 2 plus 1. So here 3 into minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5 equal to 5 into 2 into minus 2 is minus 4 plus 1. So here on the left hand side 3 into minus 5 is minus 15 equal to 5 into minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3. And here minus 15 equal to 5 into minus 3 is minus 15. So here LHS is equal to RHS. So we can say that x equal to minus 2 is the solution of the equation. So this was a basic introduction on how to solve simple equation by transposing method. Hope you understood the concept. Do like and subscribe to vteachacademy.com. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.